Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another new video. In today's video, guys, we'll be reviewing Adex, and to be exact, we'll be reviewing their Aura, which is your personal AI agent framework generating secure and high impact DeFi strategy recommendations. So as cool as it sounds, let me tell you that it is actually much cooler than it sounds, in fact. So before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can dive right into it, guys. So some of you might have already heard about Adex. They've been around for quite a while. They have their token, which is trading at a really nice volume, as you can see, over 5 million volume, and recently they are also picking up some more traction because they definitely do deserve to be in the spotlight, guys. So let me first of all give you a brief overview of what we are actually going to try today. We will be focusing on Aura, as I said. So this is Aura, and this is the demo version. However, let me first of all put you on what it is all about. So Aura is Adex's AI agent framework for Web3. It is designed to deliver personalized insights and automated execution based on users' portfolios and on-chain activity. So the demo marks the first step in bringing Aura to users and partners, giving them a tangible feel of its core utility. So basically, guys, this demo offers you like a first glimpse into what's coming. It's like a visual preview of the API powered product that they are building. So this simplified version is basically designed to give users and partners and everyone kind of feel how Aura analyzes different wallets and suggests DeFi strategies. And it is still early, just remember that, alright? The key features like automatic execution and full AI-driven decision making are being developed. So you have a nice little sneak peek, and this current version is 1.0. It is late in the roadmap as well, and it's the starting point of their much bigger vision. So the version 1 is the prototype, which is basically a DeFi strategy recommendation engine. Then the version number 2 that they are working on will be real-time insights to help you outrun the market, which is something that is already something pretty promising. And version 3, guys, will be Aura, that becomes your fully empowered personal AI agent, and this will be the biggest thing out of all of that. That's at their blog, by the way. Just wanted to mention that at the beginning of the video. Usually I mention this at the end, and I know that not everybody watches until the end. So yes, they have their blog. They also announced their NFTs and stuff like that, because yeah, to celebrate, guys, to celebrate the launch of the Aura demo, they have dropped 420 soulbound NFTs to early testers, which is pretty cool. And these NFTs were minted to the wallet address users submit for recommendations, and it will later unlock access to premium features, rewards, and other perks as Aura evolves. So it's really cool. And yeah, you have all the information here, for example. So it's cool to be aware of this blog, because you can, well, jump in on some early opportunities and basically learn more about Aura, about Adex, and what they are currently developing. So they post those development updates. And that's essentially what I wanted to mention. Sorry, guys, also if my voice is a little bit different than usually. I'm kind of sick, and obviously your boy still has to roll out the content. Content can't wait, you feel me? So yeah, speaking about the token, guys, let's talk a little bit about it. Last 7 days, by the way, speaking up back some pace. I mean, market right now, it is bullish, but it's kind of tricky, so it's normal that there is some dips here and there. However, the potential is huge, guys, because as you can see, this has only $14 million market cap, which is crazy considering the fact that they have 5 million volume. It has huge potential. They have you know, they have utility, right? So the ADX token, guys, has several utilities within the Adex ecosystem, including governance, security, and staking, right? So obviously, first things first, you have your staking. You can go to their staking portal. You have this button here, stake ADX, and that's how you can access the staking portal, guys. So yeah, you have the tokens that can be staked through the portal, allowing obviously everyone to earn different rewards and access certain Aura features. And they are also developing a new staking mechanism that has been approved by the governance that will enhance holder power, eliminate unlock periods, and provide greater flexibility. So it's a great news. It's a great proposal, and you know, you don't have to take my word for it, just take the vote results for it, okay? 100% results set to migrate it instead of keeping it as it is, so it's definitely beneficial. And you guys know that I always appreciate and like governance-based projects, because simply well, the community has voice, and the community decides what happens next. Okay, the community has real value within the project because it is community driven. So that's what I really like about Adex and Aura here as well. So yeah, I already explained the staking, sort of explained the governance, guys. They also have security and discovery deposit for recommendations. So Aura considers multiple data sources to gather information, giving access to thousands of Web3 opportunities. However, not all of this can be considered safe, particularly smaller or lesser known protocols and networks. So to protect users, Aura will work with a pre-approved list of trusted Web3 apps and networks that have been thoroughly vetted. So if an app or network is new or hasn't yet gained traction, it can stake ADX as a security guarantee to be considered for inclusion in the pre-approved list. And basically, guys, this system allows users to explore emerging opportunities with confidence while ensuring a high level of security and trust within the ecosystem. So you also have here on the website an explanation of Aura, which is again your AI agent framework. So it gives you the recommendation, it will work on giving you automated execution of strategy, and it will be like your full AI agent, guys. So we will be testing it out in a second. Just let me, tell some more stuff about it first. You have the roadmap here, and this is what I was basically telling you about at the beginning of the video, that currently we are working with a prototype, then we will have the real-time market analysis, and the third stage will be the autonomous AI agent, which obviously is the biggest of them all. They have the roadmap again on the blog, and you can see exactly how everything works here and what are the exact plans for each of these versions that I was talking about. So you have V1, V2, V3, and you have the whole conclusion. Everything is explained here, guys. I will link the roadmap down below so you can also go ahead and visit the roadmap. They have the info about the token that I just told you about, and also, guys, they have boosting recommendations, which I really like. So as mentioned earlier, Aura reshapes the incentive structure by shifting the focus from the opportunity provider to the user directly, ensuring recommendations remain relevant. However, protocols can still boost their suggestions provided they align with user interests to increase visibility. So unlike traditional models, this isn't a pay-for-ads system. Instead, protocols will stake ADX tokens both to boost their visibility and to guarantee the security of their offerings, and then also the access of the premium features, which is again another great utility. So Aura users will be able to stake ADX to access premium features such as more detailed outputs, higher request limits, and so on. A monthly fee will be deducted from the staked amount, with users who stake above a certain threshold receiving discounts. So this system basically incentivizes higher stakes by offering enhanced features and rewards, providing more value to those who commit greater resources to the platform. And this is highly beneficial for their token as well, because it will drive the buying force into the token so people can stake. And it's kind of win-win situation, because people who just hodl will benefit out of the price appreciation, and people who stake, first of all, benefit out of the price appreciation, and second of all, get more tokens from staking. And third of all, actually, they also get unique features for Aura, right? The additional features, the premium features, right? So it's pretty cool. So right now, guys, we will go to Aura and we will test it out. I've went to Binance Smart Chain Scan here, and basically I found two different wallet addresses. These are some random wallet addresses, so maybe if any of you owns this one, then yeah, big shout out to you. I don't know, just clicked on like this one and this one, just, for the test. And we can find another one, so we can actually have like 3 wallet addresses, for example. This one doesn't really hodl anything, but yeah, let's see how it analyzes. Let me refresh. Let's see how it analyzes a wallet that doesn't really have a lot of funds in it. And basically, what now it will do after pasting the wallet address is it is going to analyze the portfolio, check the risk factors, and then show some strategies and explain how risky they are. So while it does that, let me copy another address. Let me make sure it's copied, and then we will jump into the second one. So as you guys can see, we have this particular address here. As you can see, they have some AVAX, they have some USDC, and it shows us what can we do exactly. So it proposes us, and you have like all those security levels and all of that. It shows you that this one, for example, is on Avalanche, right? And you can get 6 to 8% APY. This is one of your strategies. You can stake your AVAX to secure the Avalanche network, earn native staking rewards, and so on. It's explained how it works. Then you can lend your USDC, for example, at 3 to 5% APY. You can provide some liquidity. You can provide some AVAX liquidity, and this one is much better. It's 10 to 20%, but I guess it's more risky. As you can see, it's exposed to market volatility. And then you also have yield farming, which is, well, again, kind of risky. But yeah, it's cool because it shows you multiple strategies, and you can like divide your investments to different strategies. Obviously, you don't want to degen into just one thing. You want to kind of, you know, divide it into different things. So yeah, let's go and analyze one more wallet address, this one that I copied, and then we can go to the last. But I don't know if actually they are not like owned by the same person, because it looks kind of weird. I don't know, like they are also 1 year and 81 days ago had the first transaction. Whatever, doesn't really matter. Let's see what Aura tells us. So again, guys, currently the demo is looking only at the user portfolio, and they are in the process of adding all those external data sources to include current trends and relevant information. So it would be pretty huge if it, you know, analyzes exactly the current market situation, what coins are trending, you know, what topics are trending on X, for example, what kind of meme coins, you know, like there is a lot of stuff that a lot of improvements that they can do to Aura in order for it to be even more advanced than it is currently. So again, it shows us some strategies, some different strategies with different risk levels, and I believe for this last one it will do similarly because the portfolio is pretty similar. But just for the sake of it, let's go ahead and analyze this one as well. So yeah, guys, the ADX token, again, let's get back to the ADX token for a second. It's a really cool token because it has all the utilities, guys. It is listed on the most major exchanges, so it is listed on Binance, it is listed on KuCoin, Kraken, HTX, Gate, available pretty much everywhere. It has a low market cap, guys. It is only $14 million, and currently it's trading at 10 cents, and let me tell you that the all-time high of this token is $3. So we are looking at 30x potential from now at least, and if this sort of market cap, the potential is absolutely crazier than that. I mean, meme coins, guys, tend to have some crazy, even billion-dollar market caps, and these guys are working with a real utility that will allow you to potentially make some money, that gives you some cool strategies how to, you know, how to manage your crypto assets in order to get more crypto assets, and they will have all of those premium features and stuff like that. So honestly, they have huge potential to be worth, well, definitely more than $14 million. Okay, so it's really cool. They have all of those utilities, guys. So Aura, again, is your AI agent for Web3. It has all the capabilities, both as personal AI agent for users and powerful integration for dApps and Web3 wallets. Aura is the AI agent framework for Web3 designed to simplify and automate how users interact with the ecosystem with zero effort and prompts. And you know, it has a lot of use cases. You know, as a personal AI agent, for example, it could track all the airdrops, DeFi yield, NFT mints, preventing your liquidations, and much more. So again, sky is the limit here. Obviously, they are building this, and they are building this so it can be integrated with different dApps, different wallets, and explorers and stuff like that. So they are definitely aiming for the mass adoption, and this is just the beginning, guys. This will fully expand into an automated AI agent, and well, the token utility also is pretty huge. They have a whole section dedicated to the token as well. If you want, then you can visit it. Everything is available on their website. They have their mission as well, the roadmap, everything again is on the website, and these guys have been going strong since 2017. Fully transparent team, you can verify each of them. Big shout out to the team. They are really experienced people with a lot of background in crypto, so they definitely know what they are doing. This will be it from me for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about Aura and how you see it in, let's say, next year. How do you think it will work? How do you think it will perform? I'm really curious to hear your opinions from the comment section, and that's it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.